Becky says she saw you.
Yeah, he said hi and everything. I thought he was still behind us.
Well, I'm right at the skateboard park. I'm watching Devin at his bike. And fall down and get up and do it again. Well, I'm over at the skateboard park. I'm standing on the sidewalk inside it. You coming or going home? Okay.
Nice.
Well, I'm wearing
Good job.
He's
Right there. Turn around.
That's my husband. You gotta come over here and get a hug.
Maybe some gloves would help.
Yep.
Yeah, some leather gloves.
Probably some elbow pads too.
Yeah, that might be helpful. You should be good with the sweatshirt over everything else, though. You at least won't get cut. You might get bruises, but, you know. Oh,
Yep.
my goodness.
Hey, Vassal.
So who's got the Ninja Turtle backpack? Is that yours or Devin's?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
this thing.
Yeah. Because it's shellish on the inside.
Yep.
They're crazy. They're really good at this. I would never. I'm way too scared of everything in the world to do this.
I have this fear of falling.
Yeah. Nice! Learning to get momentum before he goes up that. Huh?
He's been verbally encouraging him.
Yeah. Yeah.
How you doing, Dev? Did I leave him enough time to look at me and then look back?
Yes. Yes, he didn't fall, so it's okay. Very nice.
I think he'll sleep well tonight.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, how many times he's fallen, he's been good every time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Motivation.
Oh, yeah.
Motivation plus an audience.
Very good.
I'm really good at going up hills after this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Of course, everything he encounters from now on is going to be viewed as an obstacle.
Yeah.
No, I would
Getting
not
higher
do that.
and higher.
He's fearless. That's a problem.
Yeah. It's not.
Nah, he's got good judgment.